Windows 11 supports a new Snap Windows or Snap Layouts feature that you can see when you hover your mouse over the Maximize button. What that basically is if we open up any application or window and you hover your mouse over this Maximize button in the top right hand corner here, you can see you have a whole bunch of different layout options. Now, to get into the settings of where to change this, click on Start, and you can either press the Settings button if it's on your screen, or you can just begin by typing Settings. When you open up Settings, scroll down on the right hand side here until you see Multitasking. Click on Multitasking, and here's your Snap Windows option. Over on the right hand side here, you have a little drop down arrow. When you click on that, here are the different options that you have as far as Snap Windows goes. One of the new ones that Windows 11 has added is this one right here that says show snap layouts that the app is part of when I hover over the taskbar buttons. Now, taskbar buttons, as you know, are these ones all along the bottom here. So if we have Google Chrome open, for example, and we click on this Maximize button right here, and we decide to choose a group where it's half on the left and half on the right, so the first option, we'll set Google Chrome on the left, and on the right hand side now we have any additional open apps to select from. In this case, we're going to choose Settings. Now, the feature I'm showing you is this group or the layouts that the app is part of. And what that is if you now hover your mouse over the buttons or the items at the bottom here, you can see in Google Chrome now, it shows you Google Chrome on the left or the group, so Google Chrome and Settings. Same thing if we hover over Settings. We get the Settings on the right-hand side or the group that it's a part of. That's a new feature that they've added. If we close those down, one of the things I've noticed already is I'm a big user of Mozilla Firefox. If you open up Mozilla Firefox and we hover the mouse over the little Maximize button, you can see it's just the original tooltip. The actual option that Windows 11 has added is missing. And the reason for this is actually quite simple. The new versions of Mozilla Firefox, in order to optimize the amount of space you have for browsing the web, they actually turn off the toolbar at the very top. So if you right-click on the menu bar at the top here, select Customize Toolbar, and on the bottom the bottom left-hand corner here, you'll see it says Title Bar. Click on that, and you can see now that the title bar has reappeared on the top of the open window. Now, if you move your mouse over to the right-hand side and hover over, there you have the new Layouts feature. So if you're wondering why it's missing, that is the reason. I'm hoping that in new releases of Mozilla Firefox, they will actually enable it as part of the default layout rather than having to turn the title bar back on. Just a short tip for now, folks. Have yourselves a fantastic day, and until the next video, take care and bye for now.